Radhe Radhe. So this would be your March monthly readings for your career and relationship. And I would be starting from Aries. We'll go to Pisces. Okay. And timestamps, the timestamps would be mentioned in the description. Okay. You can go to your zodiac directly. Let me see for Aries for March. How would be Aries your career in the month of March? Okay. Aries career. And relationship wise, Aries, see, in your career, I can see a little similarity between both this time. Career may, I can clearly see that you're having one stable foundation as a career. You may be doing something which is very stable since very long, and you're planning for something new. Okay, there is something, and there can be somebody in particular who can help you with this. Either you can do such plannings in upcoming days, within March, okay, within this month, or you can even execute some plans that you're already having. Okay. Secondly, when it comes to your relationships, it is super excellent, Aries, because I can clearly see that you are very hopeful. You are shining among people. Aries, there is somebody in particular who is having an eye on you. If you are married, then your husband would be very supportive, or your wife should be very supportive within this period. And if you are not married, then I can clearly see that there is somebody who is so much into you that I haven't seen whether the person would be coming forward or not. That I would be doing in detail in my monthly reading for love and relationships. Okay, you can watch that particular video in upcoming days. Okay, Aries, all the very best. Let me see for Taurus. Taurus, how would be your career and your relationships in general in the month of March? Taurus. Taurus, see, when it comes to your career, I can clearly see that you're very, very much determined for moving ahead. You are having certain plans, but you are hesitating a little. हो सकता है कि कुछ डर हो आपके मन के अंदर की what if I pursue this, what if I go with this new plan, whether it will lead to somewhere very potential or not, ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है. And chances are there कि you will execute the same within the March month. Okay. And when it comes to your relationship, यहाँ पे clearly आ रहा है कि you are in no mood to put any more efforts. You may feel like in the month of March कि बहुत कर लिया, जितना जिन लोगों के लिए भी जितना भी किया, that is more than enough. Okay, now you are no more willing. You are not running away from anything. You're just running away from putting any more efforts in the month of March. Okay, Taurus, no worries. Overall, it's good. Let me see for Geminis. Geminis, how would be your career in the month of March? Career and relationship wise, Geminis. See, career wise, Geminis, I can clearly see that you are already having one stable foundation. You're working somewhere, and that can be very stable job. Even if you're not working, there is something very stable that you're planning, and there can be some additional source of income that you're planning, and you may execute those things in the month of March. Okay, Geminis. And when it comes to relationship also, and one more thing regarding career. See, career may I can clearly see that there is a mentor, there is somebody where who this person is helping you a lot, and this person can be a mentor not only in your career, this person can be a mentor in your relationship aspect also. So this is somebody known to you, can be anybody. Okay. And when it comes to your career, sorry, I mean relationship wise, Geminis, relationship may I can see somebody from your workplace either approaching you, or you are having some very good relationship with somebody at your workplace. ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. And if you are already married, then your partner may help you out in your career aspect. Overall, the theme for the March month is career, career, career. Relationship mein everything is okay. That is why you're focusing more onto this particular side of yours. Okay, Gemini, all the very best. Let me see For Cancerians, how would be your career in the month of March, Cancerians? And how would be your relationships in general, Cancerians? See, in your career aspect, I can clearly see that you are having more than one option in your career. And you are really enjoying it. There is no problem with that. Okay, career wise, everything is okay. And when it comes to your relationship, try to stay away from any third party situation. This third party is not always any male or female in a lovey-dovey way. No, it can be anybody. It can be your somebody from your family. It can be somebody from your friend circle who is influencing your relationship with your partner. Keep it in mind. Never let any third person poke their nose inside your relationship, है ना? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Try to stay away from any such situation. Overall, it's good, but this is just an interference that I'm seeing, and you may not be. If you are aware of it, I know you may not tolerate it, and if you're not aware of it, just keep your eyes and ears open. Okay. These are just the energy of March. Okay, no worries. Let me see for Leos. Leos, how would be your career in the month of March? Leos, up. And let me see for relationship, Leos. See, career mein to I can clearly see that with whomever you are working, जिन लोगों के साथ भी आप काम कर रहे हो, they are very much into that. They respect you a lot, and doesn't matter how much you are earning, doesn't matter आपका post क्या है, your designation क्या है, आपका work profile क्या है, but just because of the respect and the recognition that you get it at your workplace, मैं आपको बहुत ही खुश देख रही हूँ. ठीक है? This doesn't matter कि और nothing else is good, but this is the main focus. The prominent जो होता है वही दिखता है. And when it comes to your relationship, you have put enough efforts to all your relationship as per you. आपके accordingly आपने enough efforts डाला है relationship में. You are in no mood to focus on that very aspect of your life in the month of March. जो है जैसे है वैसे चल रहा है. मुझसे इतना ही होगा वाले मोड में I am seeing you. This is it. This is all I can do for all of you people around you. हो गया? And it's not like you are having any conflicts. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये just taking a break from putting efforts. Leo, they are very helping. No, Leo उनका nature ही होता है. बहुत ज़्यादा helping होते हैं ये लोग, है ना? अच्छा. Overall, it's good, Leo. चलो ठीक है. And let me see for Virgos. Virgos, how would be your Virgos? How would be your career and relationship in general? Relationships. See, Virgos, career में तो I can clearly see that you are keeping lot of patience, although not everything is okay around you. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा नहीं है आपके accordingly situation नहीं है, but वो इतना भी बुरा नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे हैं in the month of March. Maybe आप growth नहीं देख रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा. Maybe ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपने सोचा होगा कि इस March में कुछ changes होंगे, कुछ appraisal हो सकता है, कुछ भी. Anytime यही वाला time होता है ना promotion and जो आपको rewards मिलते हैं yearly. तो ऐसा कुछ शायद आपने कुछ उम्मीद लगा के रखी होगी एंड उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज द वे इट हैज बीन सिंस लॉन्ग. ओके, तो यू आर ट्राइंग टू कीप लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस. चलो कोई नहीं, दैट्स गुड. अभी नहीं तो आगे होगा. अल्टीमेटली यू विल गेट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड फॉर योर हार्ड वर्क, है ना? दिस इज देयर इन योर माइंड एंड दैट्स सच अ नाइस थिंग. ओके Virgos, and when it comes to your relationship में तो I can see you're enjoying a lot, you are partying. If it's not a literally a party, it can be having very good time together with your partner. If you don't have any partner, then I can see somebody approaching you, because I'm not seeing you single, Virgos. Okay, हो सकता है अगर आप नो कॉन्टैक्ट में हो या जो भी सिचुएशन है तो उसकी रीडिंग आई विल बी डूइंग इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो, स्पेसिफिक लव रीडिंग्स. ओके, देयर यू कैन सी द डिटेल्स Virgos. Okay, overall it's good. Now let me see for Libras. Libras, how would be your career? Libras, how would be your career in the month of March? Career wise, you are very much content. You're feeling as if whatever you have ever wanted, It's either coming true or already has come true. So this is an excellent month for your career. Libras, let me see for relationships. Libra, relationship wise, मुझे ऐसा दिख रहा है कि यू हैव बीन ओवर थिंकिंग अबाउट समबडी इन पर्टिकुलर, या फिर कोई सिचुएशन हो सकता है, कोई पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन हो सकता है जिसमें ओवर थिंकिंग बहुत ज़्यादा चल रही थी. वहाँ पे यू फील लाइक नो नो नो, this is not the way it goes. I'm unnecessarily giving headache to myself. So it's better to confront those things. और अगर ऐसा कोई है जिससे you are in no communication और miscommunication वाली चीजें हैं, तो you would like to clarify those things. It's like finishing some unfinished business for your mental peace. Doesn't matter कि relationship आगे जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा. Suppose if you're married and you are having some conflict with your partner, तो वहाँ पे you just want to make peace in the situation by expressing what is there, what is being unsaid till now. If you're not married, in that case also I'm seeing the same situation with your partner. Okay, Libras, let me see. Overall it's okay, Libra. Let me see for Scorpio. Scorpios, how would be your career? Scorpios, action mode. Scorpios, I can clearly see you all people into action mode in the month of March. Let me see your relationships in the month of March. See, career mein, so I can clearly see that whatever your plans were, Scorpio, it's actually working. तो ऐसा होता ना, और even if it's not working, you are having this thing in your mind कि I will make it work. ऐसा वाला कुछ दिख रहा है मुझे. Okay, for Scorpios, and it's overall it's good because you know you have that capability to bring things to. I mean, you can manifest anything you want in your career. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, so you are taking a leap of faith in a situation. It can be with somebody in particular. Okay, ये भी हो सकता है, या फिर किसी situation में ऐसे होता है ना कि चलो जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Let's go ahead. Okay, and because within you I can clearly see that आपने कहीं पर एक seed है, वो बीज बोया है कहीं पर किसी रिश्ते में, and उसमें you are waiting कि okay, is it growing? Is it not? Is it growing? Is it not? Or is it at the similar stage? ऐसा कुछ. Okay, it can be some plans also with somebody. And बाहर से दिखने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि you are not even bothering for those things, but internally I can clearly see you hoping for the best and waiting for somebody, ऐसा कुछ, or some reactions from somebody. It can be your spouse, it can be your partner, or if you do not have anybody in your life, it can be like you're waiting for somebody in particular to show you gestures, ऐसा कुछ. ठीक है, चलो, that's okay. Scorpios, all the best. Now let me see for Sag. How would be Sagittarius? How would be your career in general in the month of March? Career में you're very happy from within, Sag, because you feel like abhi whatever plans you have made, it's about to begin. You're waiting for your ships to arrive and you're standing there waiting, and you know you're very hopeful कि नहीं अब ये आगे बढ़ेगा. Okay, wherever I am onto this planning stage, and things are moving forward and you're very hopeful, and it will actually in reality वो आगे बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा. Okay, let me see for your relationship, Sagittarius, in general. Sagittarius, relationship wise, see, you're being very possessive towards somebody. It can be a possibility that you're planning for, if you're committed already, you're planning for marriage. If you're already married, then you're enjoying your time. You're being very possessive towards your spouse. If you're not married, then you're being very possessive towards your partner. है ना. And if you are not having anybody in your life, तब ऐसा हो सकता है कि you're being possessive for somebody and you're being very into that mode कि नहीं ये इंसान मुझे चाहिए, and protection वाला थोड़ा सा you're being very protective. Okay, all the very best, Sag. Let me see first Capricorns, how would be your career in the month of March? Capricorns, career में तो I'm seeing you happy. Absolutely, it's almost similar to Sag. I read in a similar way, and similar thing is coming for Capricorns. Capricorns, I can clearly see that you are having clarities in the situation. You know what's upcoming. कुछ भी चीजें hidden नहीं है, कुछ भी there is, and actually में नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ आपका perception है. Things are very clear. You know अब आगे क्या होना है, आपको क्या करना है, and how much you would be getting the rewards of your hard work that you have already put. है ना? Capricorns are very hardworking people. No? Doesn't mean कि other zodiacs are not, but comparatively. Okay, let me see for relationship wise Capricorns. Let me see how would be your relationships in general. Relationship में I can clearly see that कोई ऐसी जगह हो सकती है, can be somebody in particular जहाँ पे ये relation में हो सकता है, and can be your spouse जहाँ पर आपने ना पहले बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है या किसी को हेल्प करी हो, और somebody from your रिलेशन, इट कैन पे यू बैक. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के पास ना आपके पैसे हों, या फिर आपने मॉनेटरी हेल्प की हुई हो, या फिर हो सकता है कि वो आपको पे बैक कर रहे हैं, या और इट कैन बी अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम समबडी टू यू एंड यू विल बी वेरी ग्लैड. ओके, एंड ये कुछ ऐसा है जो आपने उम्मीद भी नहीं की होगी. ठीक है, ये मार्च मंथ में है, एंड देयर कैन बी अनदर पॉसिबिलिटी दैट you're planning something of such kind for your spouse. ऐसा हो सकता है in the month of March. Either way, it can go either ways. But although I can clearly see you being happy in both the situations. Okay? Enjoy your time. No worries, Capricorns. Let me see for Aquarius. Aquarius, how would be your career in general, Aquarius? Career में I can clearly see कि you are spending a lot of time with your family. Your family members are actually helping you out in your career, and secondly, you feel very stable from within in this particular month specifically. Can be any situation. Okay, overall it's great, Aquarius. And let me see for how would be your relationships in general, Aquarius. Relationship wise में तो see you're trying to handle the situation very diplomatically. You just want your peace of mind. शांति चाहिए आपको. You're feeling like कि अगर इस इंसान को ignore करना आपके लिए सही है, that's fine. At least for the month of March, आपको शांति चाहिए. You are in no mode to deal with any misunderstanding, any nonsense. Or if you feel like there is somebody nonsense around you who is messing with your peace of mind, you're trying to stay away from the person. Okay, you just want to enjoy your time at your career, and your family too. Your family is being very supportive in this month, Aquarius. Now let me see finally for Pisces. How would be your career in the month of March, Pisces? And how would be your relationships in general, Pisces? Relationship wise, see, career में I can clearly see that it's not exactly going the way you wanted it to go. Got it? And actually वो situation इतनी बुरी नहीं है. It's your mindset. मतलब this is just a stagnancy, or whatever you had planned earlier वो उसके accordingly नहीं जा रहा career wise. Okay, don't worry Pisces, this is just the energies of the month of March. It can be better in the month of April. Okay, क्योंकि कोई problem नहीं देख रही हूँ, but I'm not seeing you happy with whatever situation you are in, okay, in the month of March in career. And I'm so sorry, I don't sugarcoat. This is it. This is what I'm seeing. Okay, and when it comes to relationship, you are trying to avoid some disasters, क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि just because things are not going the way you wanted it to go in your career, maybe आपका कोई plan हो जो workout नहीं हो पाया. Okay, उसका impact relationships पे नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, anyhow नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. You're trying to maintain peace. Okay, and let me see what is this, because Pisces, you waited for so long. See, avoiding disaster means there can be an apology from somebody who have hurt you in the past, and you feel like, no, I cannot let this person enter again into my life to mess up with my peace of mind. No. And secondly, there can be a situation where you may feel like things may fall apart. एक इंसान की वजह से बाकी की चीजें खराब हो सकती हैं आपकी लाइफ में, तो you're trying to avoid the situation. Overall the situation is okay. Overall your relationship wise सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, अपने ट्रैक पे ही, you're just trying to protect it. Okay, कोई disaster नहीं होने देना है. This is it, Pisces. All the very best, and take care. I would be doing a love reading very soon, and it will be uploaded. And do go through it. And if it resonates, do comment in the comment section. I would be glad to see it. And then I would be coming with another monthly reading in the month of April. Radhe Radhe.